Hi, everybody. How are ya? It's time to do giveaway number 4. So you're seeing this on Thursday. You have until Sunday, August 22nd by midnight Pacific Standard Time to put in your responses on the form that is going to be linked down below. I think that's it. I don't know what happened to my brain. My brain is not working today. I haven't eaten yet. I think that may be my problem. Anyway, giveaway number 4. It's going to be in this beautiful pink envelope. You're going to get this one. Little brown, sort of steampunky look. It's hard to see in the light, but if I hold it that way, you see it better. And this one. And that one. This little tangle and that one. And remember, if you want to see me draw these videos or these patterns that you get, the name, I always put the name here, so you can always just do a search on my channel, because I have so many videos at this point I can't even keep track. But anyway, these are the ones that you can win. The question that's going to be on giveaway number 4 is, first off, you have to give me your email address, because I can't contact you if you don't give me your email address. And the question is going to be, when do you draw? Tell me about your process and when you draw most often. I gave you plenty of long paragraph. You can write as much as you want. For example, when I draw, besides drawing for the channel, which I obviously do a lot, my personal drawing practice, I have one of these 6x6. I'll show you one that's already filled up because my other one is in the house. But one of these 6x6 journals, right? Do I have one with a cover on it? I don't think so, because usually when I'm finished with them, I take the covers off. Nope, I don't. Oops, there goes my microphone. Anyway, it's a 6x6 Strathmore Artist Journal, and I take these with me everywhere. You guys have seen my flip throughs before. Most of the time they're just blacks and whites because I don't take coloring with me. I do have a red pen in with my supplies, but for the most part, they're all just going to be black and white. And I take that with me. It's in my bag. I keep actually keep an eyeglasses case filled with pens, because that's a perfect size to have pens and stuff with me. And then I put a few, and I have my journal, and I carry it around with me when I go to, I don't know, the dentist, go have a massage, go to church, anywhere where I'm going to be sitting and just not moving for a while. I pull it out and I just draw. Sometimes I draw for 5 minutes. Sometimes I draw for an hour. You never know. Depends on how long I'm sitting, right? But I just sit and I draw and I add to whatever page. And so that's tends to be my practice. My other practice is in the evenings. I've got a really big, I don't have it with me, but I have a really big sketchbook that's a 9x12, I think. Really, really big. And I do those when I'm sitting and watching TV. But yeah, anytime I have downtime where I'm sitting and not doing anything in particular, I pull out my journal and I draw. But I want to know about your practice. When do you draw? Do you draw when you're stressed? Do you draw when you're happy? Do you draw to draw gifts for people? Do you draw specifically at a specific time? Do you draw randomly? Is it something that you do every morning? I want to know. Curious minds want to know. How do you draw? What is your drawing practice? We are all interested. And yes, we are actually all interested. I may talk about some of your responses in future videos. I'm very curious because, you know, everybody's different on how they draw, where they draw, when they draw, what they like to draw, all that stuff. Give me your info. I'm interested. Anyways, do that by midnight, Sunday, August 22nd, Pacific Standard Time, to be entered in this current giveaway, number 4. And congratulations to the people who have won before. At the end of giveaway number 5, I will tell you guys all the different winners. So it's not going to be a secret of who won, but I'm going to do it all at once because, you know, August is going to be one of those months. It is my birthday month. It is going to be busy. We have stuff going on. Got maybe a cruise coming up. That would be awesome. We'll see how things are going with the restart of cruising, but we do have one scheduled. So, you know, I got things going on. But anyways, you guys have a great day. Don't forget to enter. The link is down there. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.